Hi friends, today in this video we will know how to create an account as a freelancer on Upwork. So for creating an account, search Upwork, click on very first link. Here click on get started. Select I am a freelancer looking for a work. Apply as freelancer. Fill your details. Select your location. Click on create my account. Your account has been successfully created. And they have sent a verified email. Please verify your email. Here I will verify. Same as you also have to verify. Here they are saying answer a few questions and start building your profile. Get started. I am brand new to this. I have some experience. I am an expert. I will choose I am an expert. To earn my main income, to earn money on the side, to get experience for a full-time job. I don't have any goal in mindset. I will select that. And guys, you can also skip this question for now. How would you like to tell us about yourself? Here you can upload your resume. You can import your resume from LinkedIn. You can fill manually the details about your resume. So if you want a detailed video how to fill your resume, then please do comment. I will make a dedicated video on that. I will upload my resume from here. Here I will upload that. I will do continue. Here your preferential role, ERP CRM software. Here you have to add your proficiency skills. I will add all of them and you will add according to your proficiency. Here add your experience. Here software developer, company XYZ, private limited, location XYZ. And for working in this role, start date, click on add your education, CBS role, I will add your skills, Android select maximum 15 skills. After selecting that, click on next, write an overview. Here you can write your overview about your profile, about what you're looking for. Next, what service you will offer, select those services. Next, select how will you work, select your hourly rate. Select the profile pic, select your country, select your city, enter your city, you have to select from the options. Here, check your profile. Here, loading a photo is mandatory. I will upload that. Here, click on check your profile. Here, check your profile. Is everything correct or not? Not, then you can edit from here. And your skills also, and your language also, and your hourly rate also. After, go through your website, click on submit profile. Here you have successfully created your profile. You can now browse your jobs. Here you can see this job is posted 2 hours ago. They need a tutor for theory of computation, automata course. They need an app developer. They need a translator. There are so many jobs. So show your interest and do your jobs. Thank you guys. This video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.